So in this video we're going to talk about mathematical functions in Python. So Python provides many built-in mathematical functions through the math module. So to access all of these functions we have to import the math module, and then we can use the math and we can access different functions. Like an example, we have the square root, so we can use this to find the square root of a number. Like an example, we can find the square root of 25, so the answer should be 5. So let's just print this, and now if we run this, so here is the output as 5. So this way we have many other functions that we can use. So we have the math.floor function. So this function will round down to the nearest integer. So this number will be rounded down to the nearest integer 3. Similarly, also we have math.ceil. So this function will round up to the nearest integer. So here if we pass 3.1, so this will be rounded up to the 4. So let's now print them. So now if we run this, so here is the output. So the 3.9 is rounded to the integer 3, and the number 3.1 is rounded up to the integer 4. Similarly, also we have the power functions. So we can use those functions to find the power or exponential of numbers. So like an example, we can use the math.pow, and here the first parameter is the number and second parameter is the power. So this is equivalent to 3 raised to the power 2. So the answer should be 9. Similarly, also we can do the same using the operator, exponential operator. So we can use 3, then double star and 2. So we're gonna get the same result. So let's now print them. So here we have the output 9 for both of these functions. And also the math module provides us with trigonometric functions, and we can use them to perform operations like sine, cosine or tangent. So we can use math.sine, and here inside we have to pass 1 radian value. So we have to convert degree to radian. For that we can use math.radian, and here we can pass the degree. So the 90 degree will be converted to radian using the radians function, and then we can find the value of sine 90, which is 1. So let's now print that. So here you can see we have the output as 1. So the sine 90 is 1. Similarly, also we can find the value of cos. So we have to do math.cos, and we can find the cos 0 degree, which is also 1. So if we run this, so here you can see we have output 1 for both cos and sine. And also in Python we have logarithmic and exponential functions. So we can calculate the log of a number. So we can use math.log, and here first of all we have to pass the number, and then as a second parameter we have to pass the base of the log. So here we're calculating log of 100 with base 10. So now if we print that, so here if we run this, so here we have the output of the logarithm, which is 2. Similarly, also we can find the exponential of a number. So we can use math.exp, and here in this function we have to pass the number like 2. So here we can find e raised to the power 2. So let's now print that. So here we have the output for exponential of number 2. And also in Python we have some constants. So we can access some constant value, like we can use math.pi. So this will return the value of pi. And also we have math.e. So this will return the Euler's number. So I'm gonna print the math.pi, the Euler's number. Now if we run that, so here you can see we have the output. So here is the math.pi, and here is the Euler's number. And not just this, to simplify the whole process, instead of writing math every time, we can use the alias names also. So here while importing math we can assign one alias name. So we can import the math as m, and then everywhere instead of using math we can replace all of these and we can use only m. Now if we run that, we're gonna get the same output. You can see we have the same output as earlier, and now instead of writing math everywhere, we're using m, which is the alias name of math. And not just this, while importing the math module, we can selectively import some specific functions only. So for this we have to use from math. So from the math module we can only import, like we can import the square root or the power function. So this is the way we can import the math module in Python, and then we can use so many different functions of the math module, and we can use these functions for mathematical operations. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.